So today I am going to review Perfect Practice Math, Stats and LR, which is CA Foundation course. I purchased this from Grooming Education Academy, which is a very popular academy for CA Foundation students, and it helps a lot in clearing our paper 3 group. In this book we got to first, this is a welcome page, you can read it, and then we are moving toward here. The index are there given. First, in this book we are getting our ICI solutions, means these are all the solution of exercises, ICI exercises, like time value of money, exercise 4a, 4b, 4c, 4d, like all those. And also we get solutions of additional questions. After that, here is a solution of business mathematics, logical reasoning also, means first in this book we will get to see the solutions of exercises that have been given in our book. Then we are getting important question. Now it is very important, which is provided by Grooming Education Academy in our CA Foundation paper 3 book. It is a very important question like business mathematics, business statistics and logical reasoning. Here we all get in important questions with video solution available in their app. Now if we will move to important question sections, there is a page number 190. So let's move on to this page 190. Now from here there is a important question: ratio and proportion indices logarithm. Likewise, I am not giving to show of you the exercises solution because we can get it easily through this book, and also via video solutions in YouTube and other platforms. So this is an important question. Maybe there is not written any means which year it has come, or in which year this all the questions have been repeated. Simply there is a questions and solutions, like you can see that question number 2 ratio question it is. Now solution is given only, and like that you can get a video solution in their app. This is just a simple book review. I have purchased it to clear my CA Foundation June 2023 attempt. It is very helpful. If we practice all this, we can. I don't know the exact benefit of that, but after giving the exam, I can put a benefit on how this helped me a lot to clear my CA Foundation paper 3 exam. This is especially regarded for CA Foundation paper 3, and it is a very, means all the arrangements are very okay. Questions are given from all the chapters, like such important chapters: time value of money, ratio, proportion, indices. So it is okay. Now all what facilities we will get in this book: quick solution of all ICI solution, additional time saving important question of each type, recording of important question including answers of exercise question of ICI. I have purchased through eScholar website, or you can get the app through it. Now it is the book. Thank you.